Hi students, today we are going to see the continuation of the yesterday's topic. Our topic is trigonometry. Let us see one more problem. If cos theta equal to k, what is k? K is any constant. Then find other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Solution. Given cos theta equal to k. K can be written as like this. K nothing but k by 1. This is according to the definition of cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Draw a right angle triangle. Again, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, angle theta, A, B, C, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Given adjacent side, how much? K. Hypotenuse 1. Going to find opposite side. How do you find it? Using Pythagoras theorem. Now, from triangle ABC, we can write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. How do we write it? According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. AC square, AC value how much here? 1. AB, we don't know. AB value we know, K. BC value, we don't know the opposite side. We are going to find it. Okay. This is 1 square is 1. This k square transposed to left side. K square equal to BC square. What is BC value? Root 1 minus k square. Actually, we should take here plus or minus. In general, we should take only plus. If given some conditions, according to that condition, we should take what is possible, either positive or negative, we should take it. Understand? Okay. Now, we are going to find other trigonometric ratios. So, we are going to find first one, sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? How much came BC value? Here, root 1 minus k square. What is that value here? Root 1 minus k square by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse how much here? 1. This is nothing but we can take root 1 minus k square. Denominator 1, neglected value, no problem. In the same way, going to find other value, cos theta already given, tan theta. Tan theta nothing but formula, definition, opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? Root 1 minus k square. What is adjacent side? k. This is tan theta value. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? 1. What is opposite side? Root 1 minus k square. Next, secant theta. Secant theta nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is hypotenuse value? 1. Adjacent side value k. Next, cot theta. Cot theta nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. If we know adjacent side value k, opposite side value root 1 minus k square. This is the way to find the other trigonometric ratios if given any trigonometric ratio as like this. Understand? So, in the same way, we can find the other problems also. We are going to do one more problem as like this. Listen. Suppose, if given as like this, if tan theta equals to, we are going to see, tan theta equals to 15 by 8. Find other trigonometric ratios. So, we are going to see how do we find the other trigonometric ratios if given tan theta equals to 15 by 8. Let us see. What is given according to the question here? Given tan theta equals to 15 by 8. Okay? According to the definition of tan, this is opposite side by adjacent side. Now, draw a right angle triangle as like this. Right. This is a right angle triangle ABC, angle theta, right angle here. This is opposite side, opposite to theta. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. According to the question given, tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite value how much here? 15. Adjacent value how much here? 8. What we have to find now? Hypotenuse. How do we find it? Using Pythagoras theorem. Understand? Let us see how to find the AC value hypotenuse. From triangle ABC, AC square equals to, we can take AB square plus BC square. Understand? AC value we don't know. We are going to find AB square 8 square. Okay? BC square 15 square. 8 square nothing but how much? 64 plus 15 square 225. What will come here? 289. Okay? This is the value of AC square. What is AC value? Root of 289. Square root of 289, 17. Actually, when we have to neglecting square, we should take plus or minus, but in general we should take positive only. What is AC value here? 17. So the other trigonometric ratios are, we have to find it, sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? 15. Hypotenuse 17. Next, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? 8. Hypotenuse 17. Tan theta, this is given. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. What is hypotenuse? 17. Opposite side 15. Sec theta. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse value 17. Adjacent side value 8. Next, cot theta. Cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side value 8. Opposite side 15. We are going to find all these value, we have to find in this way. Given any another trigonometric ratio. Let us see one more problem. Okay, going to find the one more problem as another problem like this. Suppose here. Now our question is, okay, our question, prove that cot pi by 20 357. Prove that cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20 equal to 1. We are going to prove this value. Okay? Let us see the solution. Okay. Consider cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20. We should convert first it into radians. Now pi by 20 value is how much? Pi by 20. Pi 180, 20. 2 0 get cancelled, 9. How many degrees? 9 degrees. So the question becomes cot 9 degree, 3 into 9 degree. Cot pi by 20 is 9 degree. 3 into 9, 27. 5 into 9, 45. Cot 7 into 9, 63. Cot 81. Understand? We know the value of cot 45 degrees. How much? 1. So it will be cot 9, cot 27, cot 45 1. Cot 63 can be written as cot 90 degrees minus 27 degrees. Cot 81 can be written as 90 degrees minus 9. Now, I have already told you the all types of trigonometric ratios in the previous class. According to that, we know the value of cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. This will be cot 9 degrees, cot 27 degrees, cot 90 minus theta, tan 27 degrees into tan 9 degrees. Since cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. This is the formula. Now this can be written as cot 9 tan 9 take together. Okay. Cot 27 tan 27 take together. We have one more formula. Tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. This value should be 1 into 1. What will come? 1. Proved. Understand? You should do the remaining in the next class.